Well, Encore Music was started 33 years ago, and we've been blessed to be here a pretty good while there, it seems like. But what happened was when I first came to school here, I came to SFA in '79 to be a band director. And when I got out, I knew I didn't want to be a band director. Started working in the music store business and the recording industry. And one thing led to another, and I ended up owning this store, like I say, 33 in '88 is when we started. But we've been so blessed. We have a really nice recording facility here, which you don't find just anywhere. We've had the pleasure of recording Willie Nelson in there. We did an album for him, and he called his album Nacogdoches, which he said he liked the way it sounded, Nacogdoches. And I like the way it sounds too. Been here a long time and love this town. We've been selling musical instruments, mostly combo gear. We carry drums and guitars. We're a Martin Service Center. We sell Martin guitars. They're the #1 acoustic guitar out there, and we sell theirs. And we also service it. We're one of the few service centers in the whole state. We do a lot of sound reinforcement for churches and schools. And if you're new to town and you're going to stay here, we got some excellent instructors. We teach drums, we teach guitar, mandolin, voice, piano, bass, numerous instruments, and very qualified teachers. Most of the employees here have been here many, many years. We've got Steve Nelson's been with me over 20 years. Jason Kelly's been with me over 20 years, and they're both very accomplished musicians. Heath Parrott runs the studio, very qualified. We're just blessed. The people here love it here, and we love Nacogdoches. So if you're looking for lessons or any kind of sound or anything along that regards, we can help you. We're located here in Nacogdoches on University Drive, North University Drive, and we're at 706. I'm just excited to be here. We're easy to find. We're across the street from like the Jalapeno Tree and some other notable restaurants in town. We really are blessed to have this wonderful location. So, and we service a pretty good area. We all the surrounding cities seem to come here. A lot of them come for our medical stuff that we have here and everything. So we're blessed. University Drive, 706, Nacogdoches.